He always going to say something embarrassing at some point.
Oh, no. What'd you do?
Nothing bad.
Thank you, baby.
Don't pick your nose.
No. Hello, and welcome to Cook and a Half. Today, Artie and I are going to make plum hand pies. We are using phyllo dough, which I love very much, and it's a great thing to use instead of butter pastry in the summer when your house is hot, like mine always is. Let's get started.
Like and subscribe for more Cook and a Half.
While our oven is preheating to 375, we are going to start on our filling. Right? Yeah. So, the first thing we have to do is separate an egg. Do you want to try to do that? We've never attempted this before. So, we're going to try to only get the yolk in the big bowl.
Not
Not the shell and not the white. Can you do it?
What is the white?
It's the clear part. So the yellow part we want in here, and the clear part we want in here. You are getting, oops, well, we will scramble that one.
Ugh, my hello eggy. Can I do that egg?
You want to try again?
Mm-hmm.
So try not to break the yolk, okay?
Why?
Because we need the yolk for our filling. Yeah. Boop, boop, boop.
Crack, crack, crack.
Mm-hmm. You can do it without breaking it. We can just fish the yolk out. Okay. Nice. Ooh, whoa. Please don't do that. We don't want any shells in there. I'm going to fish out the yolk for us.
Why?
Because we need it. Don't break it. Boop.
Can I feel the yolk?
Oh! All right, so to that, we're going to add...
Ooh.
What are we going to add to that?
I like it.
Okay, that's gross. We're going
Hey,
to
look at my nails.
Mm-hmm. Do you want to add this cream cheese?
Mm-hmm.
Boop.
A cream cheese. Can I wash my hands?
Yeah. And powdered sugar. Cool.
Now it's like snow falling on the rhinoceros.
Mm-hmm.
Can I do that?
Cinnamon. Cool.
What are we making today?
We're making little plum pies. Now we have to mix our filling. Can I help you? Yeah. You could do this with a mixer too if you wanted, but our cream cheese is nice and soft, so we don't need to. How's that look?
Ugly.
Ugly? Yeah, you're not wrong. But it's going to taste good. This recipe is just an adaptation of a recipe in my last book, which is cherry ricotta turnovers. Today we're using cream cheese and plums.
I love plums.
You love plums? That's why I made this recipe. Just for a fun variation.
Excuse me.
Bye.
Bye. I'm gonna meet you in a second.
Okay, well, I'll cut the phyllo while he's gone. Perfect opportunity.
There's a funny one. Hey, look.
Wow, you have a lot of things.
I dropped something again.
That's okay. I have 8 sheets here that I'm going to cut into 4.5 width, 4.5 inches width, and then it's going to be the full length of the sheet of pastry.
That way for me. Can
We
I?
bought our phyllo. Now, I'm going to do the knife. The knife stuff is going to be me, but you can do the other stuff, okay?
Ooh, I like to win it.
You love what?
I like inside it.
Yeah, this is phyllo dough. It's one of my favorite things in the whole world because it's store-bought and it's delicious. And in the summertime, when the weather is hot, it's very unpleasant to work with butter pastry because if you don't have very good air conditioning like me, it gets too hot. But phyllo, you can work in very hot weather and it's totally fine. Shall we build some pies? Yeah, you want to help me? So what do we have here? Do you know what that is?
No. Egg.
It does look like egg, but it's melted butter. It's melted butter that we are going to brush all over our phyllo.
But Mama?
Yeah?
Are we gonna put the plum inside this?
We're going to put the plum inside the phyllo. Can you believe it?
Where is the phyllo?
This is phyllo.
What?
We kind of messed it up a little, but I think it's going to be fine. Oh!
But do you eat that?
So, we'll put this on and don't break it. Don't break the next one, okay? Brush for you. Brush for me. We are going to brush our sheet. First, we'll like drizzle it a little. This is fun because you get to make a little bit of a mess. But don't get any butter on me or you. Yeah, you drizzle it and then you very carefully get the whole thing buttery. Now we'll sprinkle a little sugar.
Ooh, can I do it?
Uh-huh. Not salt this time. Still good. Now put another sheet. Now we're gonna fill and fold. We'll start with a little bit of this cream mixture and then a couple tablespoons of the plums. Does that look good?
Mm-hmm.
Do you think we should put more? Maybe a little more?
Yeah.
Okay.
Then fine.
Yeah. Thank you. And now we get to fold this like a flag. So we'll go once down over the top. Want to help me brush these with butter? This is your brush. Yeah. Now I'm going to fold. Okay. Oops, I tore it. We're not having excellent luck, but there we go. So then we just fold it like a flag. You really like the phyllo, huh?
Yeah.
You think you're going to like it when it's baked?
Mm-hmm.
What kind of noise is that?
That's a mama noise.
That's the noises I make. I knew he was going to say something embarrassing at some point. Look how cute our little pie is. Should we make a few more? Okay. Maybe just like a drizzle.
Hey, I'm gonna do it.
You're right. I should just let you. Okay, that's enough. Let's just spread it around. Okay, I think that's probably good. More? No, You want to help me brush this with butter? Here, use... No. Look. Use... Yeah. No. Yeah, phyllo might have been an odd choice for a 4-year-old. But, you know, we're making it work. Hey!
Can we put some
You know,
more?
this is actually a really good lesson.
Can we put some more sugar?
Yeah, in the next one.
Can we put some more sugar?
Totally destroyed this phyllo, right? We ripped it apart, and I was still able to fold it up and use it. That's why phyllo is so great.
I can subscribe for more cooking half. Oh, can I cut a little slit in on?
You want to help? You want to help me? We'll do... should we put some sugar on top?
Everyone is happy to see me stick with.
Don't need any. Alrighty.
I just like
That's
it.
That's enough.
Bye videos.
So 375 degrees for about 35 minutes.
The first thing I had to do is wash my hands.
Yeah.
And then I'll be back.
Okay. 375 degrees for about 35 minutes until they are golden brown and flaky and delicious and perfect.
I'm done now.
Or we're gonna eat pie. Does that sound good?
Remember, I said I don't want to.
Oh, okay. Well, maybe your mom will eat one.
Okay, and then I can just stir it off a little.
Should we eat some pie?
Not me.
You said you would try it.
Yeah, not me.
Some of my pies burst, but I don't think that matters too much, right?
No.
Right. So much flakiness with so little effort, right? You gonna try it?
Try and do something.
All right. Well, I'm gonna eat my pie alone.
Mama,
What, sweetheart?
I want to save you.
Can you eat some pie?
Tell us what it tastes like.
It tastes like someone's finger.
Someone who has delicious fingers. Here. This is gonna be a good bite because it's the corner. That's my favorite bite. Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's good, right? Well, do we make more?
Can I save you now, Mama?
Can you what?
Can I save you now, Mama?
You're with me currently. Okay, that's okay. Get the recipe for these hand pies on food52.com and come back twice a month for more
Cook in a house. Bye, people. Now can we do something fun together?
Can we do something fun together? You're not counting this as something fun together. When we're done with this, we'll do something fun together.
Yay!